Welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you the pros and cons of living in a red dwarf star system. So here's an example of a red dwarf star system with this star, which is an M0.3, which M-type stars are red dwarf stars if you haven't realized. And this one is the planet that is habitable orbiting this red dwarf. See, not a lot of water, just some small oceans, and this planet has a lot of vegetation, like equal amounts. So I'm going to tell you the pros of living in this planet and red dwarf stars in general. The first pro is that they live for a really long time, from hundreds of billions of years to trillions of years. Enough time for life to develop, especially multicellular life. And the second pro is that red dwarfs sustain a lot of habitable planets, and they're actually the most common type of star in the universe. So finding habitable planets in red dwarf star systems is a very high chance of doing that. They make up for 60% of a star system, the red dwarfs. However, there are issues with red dwarfs. First of all, sometimes the planet needs to be very close to its star to be in the habitable zone, and this results in a chance of the planet being tidally locked to its star, meaning one side will face the sun forever while the other would never see it. But this planet isn't tidally locked. It actually takes 47 days, but takes 71 days to orbit. So that means it has a rotational period, a solar day, but it's very, very long. So that means the sun will still be blazing for half of the solar day. And also, because of the tidal locking in some planets, not this one, the star is also known. Red dwarfs are also known to emit the most stellar flares of any other star, meaning the red dwarfs will emit a ton of stellar flares, destroying atmospheres of planets and also disrupting life from forming because red dwarfs are so stellarly active. And the third con is that red dwarfs are just too cold and for any star to receive, for the planet to receive energy to sustain life. And sometimes some planets can't even sustain life at all because some of the planet, because it doesn't get enough energy for photosynthesis or anything to support life. And because of this, sometimes there's a chance that life will be extremely hard to develop. Life needs to find a way to develop in red dwarf star systems. However, there is a way to do that. Anyways, this is the 3-minute video of me showing you the pros and cons of living in a red dwarf star system. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on notifications if you want to see more content. Adios.